crazy, and you've always lived here.
Mostly. When kids want to leave home, they come here, whereas I used to go to the suburbs.
Right.
No way.
No way! You're not really claiming responsibility for the kiss makeup, are you?
He's not saying he is responsible.
He's just saying the next time they play.
Was it me or was it just timing? Who knows? But I'm afraid the seed may have been planted here.
Is this all you want? Staying here? Working with your dad? This place is legendary, but it's not really yours. You didn't build it.
Give you all your turn, why? Because you want it? Because it's time to pass the baton? I built this place up from nothing but my own two hands, not a dime or a day's worth of help from another living soul. Nobody handed me shit. Feeling the music vibrating in your chest, singing that lyric at the top of your lungs, that lyric that feels like it's telling the story of your life. Feeling connected to the world that way that only live music makes you feel connected.